Large industrial plants receive up to several hundred deliveries every day. Let's take a look at how suppliers are located and monitored in the InnerWeb system. The supplier provides security with information about the delivery. We go to the system. A new delivery is created, where its name is entered. After selecting the shipping company, the driver and vehicle numbers are automatically displayed for verification. The delivery dock numbers are indicated and the selected locator is handed to the driver. Time is of the essence here, as other suppliers are already waiting. The supplier is monitored throughout their stay on the premises. Their position is visible in the system in real time. Historical data is also available. On the synoptic map, we can verify the current location of the supplier, check the total time spent on the premises, and even see location alerts. Traffic analytics for all suppliers, external companies, and employees responds to the current challenges of the logistics, health and safety, and security departments. The interface for security, logistics, and administrators is intuitive, making it easy to view, search, and edit deliveries. The main benefits of the delivery system include real-time delivery location, delivery time measurement, full history, quick addition of new deliveries, security alarm when leaving the facility, and easy storage in multi-loaders.